Welcome to watch today's Fresham. The home belies a rich interplay of materiality, unfolding inward to reveal a series of calm, sunlit spaces connecting seamlessly with the garden beyond. The brief called for a private sanctuary with a strong connection to the outdoors, a challenge on an inner-urban site where privacy is often at odds with openness, yet the design never feels closed off. Instead, the response is deft. The house maintains a modest frontage to the street, while internally, spaces open generously to the garden, with large windows and sliding doors drawing in daylight and framing views of greenery. The sense of calm is immediate. Spaces flow easily from one to the next, the plan prioritizing movement and a gentle rhythm of light and shadow throughout the day.